Hello viewers and welcome to my YouTube video. My name is Oluwashina Oyeniran. So in this video, we're going to be discussing depth first search algorithm. In my previous videos, we've talked about the linear search algorithm, the binary search algorithm. So what is depth first search algorithm? This algorithm is a type of search algorithm used to explore graph or a tree-like structure, like what I have here. If you look at what I have here, I have a root which is A, then I have a node that connects to his to B to D. Then to the right I have C, E, F. So how does depth first search algorithm work? So it's going to start from the root node and it's going to mark it as visited. Then go to the nearest node. Let's take for instance it goes to B. Mark it as visited. Go to D. Mark it as visited. But you're going to discover that there is no other node after D. Then it's going to backtrace. Then go back to B. But since B is already marked visited, then it's going to move to the next one, which is the root node, which is already visited. Which implies that these whole parts, they have already been visited. Now it's moved to the next one. Go to C, mark it visited. Go to E, mark it visited. Then E, then F, which is going to be the last. Then backtrace again to E, to C, and to E. So in this regard, this algorithm has searched through the whole tree. Now, when do we use this? We use this when there are multiple options and we are wondering which one are we going to choose. Then the algorithm is going to search through all the nodes and come up with an option. Now, how do you implement this in Python? So that's the next thing we're going to be talking about. How do you implement it in Python? So let's go to our Jupyter notebook. Now, depth first search algorithm. Like I told you, it's going to start from the root node, then move to the adjacent unvisited node and mark it visited. Repeat the procedure using in a recursive manner until it gets to the last node, then backtrace, then look at the other node, repeat the same method. So I have a snippet here I can use as an example. So in this snippet, now if you look at this snippet, I have a tree full of toys, so which I call the toy task. So if visited is none, then let's start visiting. Then we're going to determine which one is the start. Then we're going to be searching one after the other. This is the first one. We search it B and C. Then let's go to this place. Then to C, which implies that A has two roots B and C, and B has two roots D and E. Then C, F, and D, E, F doesn't have any other root. So let's see the manner in which it's going to search. You see A, B, D, F. A, B, D, E, F. So this is how uh, this algorithm work. The depth first search algorithm. This is how it works. And I told you this can be implemented using a recursive function. And yeah, it can be implemented using a recursive function. So there are other ways in which you can implement this, but I'm very familiar with a recursive function very well. So if you have any question, put it on the comment section. If you have any comment as well, put it on the comment section. uh, I would like enjoy you to subscribe, like, and share this video with your friends. uh do watch out for my subsequent videos. I'll still be talking on search algorithm, my next video. See you there.